So I thought I'd do a little snippet on healthcare within Qigong, because a lot of people these days are telling me, oh, I've got really bad cold or cough or flu or asthma or something, but there's an easy remedy that you can do if you get an attack of asthma or coughing or whatever, and that is to use the lung point. Now, lung point 1 is on the chest here, which is why I have no clothes on. Well, I do have clothes on, but not mid top. And I just thought I'd share with you that particular point that you can use. So, the easiest way is to put your hand under your armpit and use your thumb to find the point, and then just massage and press it. Now, you can't really see that, but it is there, just about. And it will stop coughing. So if you suddenly find that you're coughing really badly, then you can press that point and it should ease off. If you press it and you're not coughing, you may well cough, because obviously you're moving the energy in the lung. So, I just thought I'd share that one with you. So see you again. Don't forget, like and share. Cheers.